guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about another video is about making money on YouTube without making videos. I made a couple of them. There's a bunch of ways that you can use to make money on YouTube without making your videos, without showing your face, without creating a script, because other YouTubers they're doing own things. If you don't have any of that, you can follow one of these methods to make money on YouTube. Okay, before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon, and also like our videos and like this video if you want to learn more about that. And also, following us is gonna cost you zero. We are not selling courses, we are sharing our own knowledges. When we identify different ways to make money online, we make a video about that, so you can learn and you can apply and make money from it. So in this video I'm gonna talk about affirmations. Affirmations are like sentences or word for the positivity. People are listening to that sentence. It could be 10 minutes long, it could be an hour, it could be 8-10 hours long. It's like give a positivity, right? It's in a way of motivations. You can get this affirmation quotes on Google. If you type affirmation, positive affirmation, or affirmation to become a successful, like that, in a website they talk about these sentences. You can say from here, list of positive affirmation. I'm successful in a way I do, something like that. This is 100. Okay, if you want to make a longer video, what you have to do, you can upload a couple of the sentences up to 4. I think for the 100 sentences you come around 6-7 minutes of videos. If you have more words, then you have a longer video, or you can put it in the loop if you want, but I want to make a short clip. But in the future I will make a video about that. Or also in this video I'm talking about how you can make videos and everything. I am building a YouTube channel for this particular niche. I will show a video in the future how you can make money and other way other than from YouTube, guys. So this is the list of affirmation that you can get it any website that you want, or go to Google and type affirmations, positive affirmation. You can see this one, 1132 positive affirmation. So you can copy and paste it or write it in a way. You can do whatever you want, because these sentences are not belong to one side, is a common. So I don't think you're gonna get the copyright strike or something like that. No, you are not going to get anything from that. So you can get a bunch of them in a certain topic and put it in the Word document or Grammarly. I put it in Grammarly to check a grammar and everything. Then I visit one website to make my videos. This website I made a review in the past, go and check it out. I also put the link on register for it. You can get 7-day free trial. This website is gonna add a video and images, royalty free video and images for each scene, and they will upload royalty free music. And also you can do voiceover. If your voice is not good for affirmations, you need to have a clear voice. So if your voice is not that good, you can auto generate the voice. I will show you guys in a minute. So the website is called Content Samurai. So you have to click here. I have the paid subscription, which is cheap, $35 per month. You can create unlimited videos, and you can create all sorts of videos. You can say from here, you can create sales video, instant ad videos, property videos, something like that. So I'm gonna go with the content video, this one. Then I need to copy and paste my script. This is my script. Just copy that and paste in here and click create scene. It will create the scene, which means it will add royalty free videos, mostly royalty free videos, or you can select images if you want. For affirmation you can live with the videos. So for example, these videos, you can see these videos are 54 minutes long, 39 minutes long, 8 hours long, 11 minutes long. Some of them have a video, some of them have only one image on it. But I'm gonna go with video. On top of that, I'm gonna put a subtitle. So when each changes, you can see this subtitle. You can see I'm successful with what I do. So everything changes. You can see every single sentences, it will appear in each scene. Then you need to click this section called voice. And either you can record and upload your own voice, or you can go with the non-voice. I go with auto voice. You can select the different voice for USA, United Kingdom, Australia. I go with the USA one and click preview. It will take a couple of minutes. Depend on the length of your videos, it will generate auto voice for you. So I'm gonna show you how you can make money from. The main source you're gonna make money from is YouTube advertisement, and you can put more if you are qualified for that monetization. You can put so many ads in the middle, so you can put in the beginning of the video or end of the video. On top of that, you can sell a affiliate program by you can go to ClickBank and get a affirmation videos. There is a people are selling a bunch of videos, so you can promote that in your videos if you want. But this is one of the best way to make money on YouTube without a recording video, without you showing your face in front of the camera. This is the best way. Well, as long as you need to have this program and you need to have information. So now my video is ready. It's 4 minutes long. I need to go to this. I can show you the play. When I click the play,
I am successful in whatever I do.
You can see that.
I plan my work and work my plan.
Now, if I want to post that, this is the music section. You can go with cinematic, simplicity, different music for the background, or you can upload your own music. Go to my music section. And one more thing I want to show you is go to option where you can lower the music volume and also the voice track speed. I want to lower it because affirmation is very slow. So you know that it's not fast like a reading text. So I want to all the way down to 75 and apply, and it will slow down the text so the people can easily understand it. So it's gonna take another couple of seconds to apply that change. So I will come back after it's finished, guys. Now you can see the video is went up from 4 minutes to 6 minutes because the voice track speed is slowed down. You can see the difference now.
I am successful in whatever I do. I plan my work and work my plan.
Now the text is easily slowed down, or you can this is the maximum you can do with this. Now you can download that. If you click loops continue, you will download the videos, and you can put it in any video editing software. You can easily slow down for that, or you can put it in the loop to make over 1 hour videos, something like that. But this is the best way, guys. So I will show you this with these channels. This one here, I have over 238,000 subscribers, and their views are each video getting over 1 million views. Now if you have a longer video, if one video went viral, and you can get the subscribers and the watch hours from one video, guys. So this is another way. So you are not going to spend many hours making videos. You can spend it. See that it took me 10 minutes. Only thing you need is getting the informations like a list of affirmations. Once you get that, making videos only less than 10 minutes, and it's going to take another 10 minutes to upload it to YouTube. And you do that, upload 2 to 3 times per week. So you build up followers steadily, and you can make money from YouTube. Guys, if you want to learn more of that, visit my website. I put the link in the description. It's up and running now. Uploading the 4 posters, all the links. You can go and read the review if you want. I will upload 1 post per day on my website also. If you want to support me, go and check out my website, guys, and also follow me on all my social media. And see you in the next one, guys. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my video, and see you in the next one, guys.